In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to group and ungroup elements in Canva. So as you can see here on the screen, I have a bunch of shapes. These are going to be the elements I'm going to be working with. Now, for you, this could be a bunch of images. This could be a bunch of videos that you have on the screen. It's going to work the same way. So when you have a bunch of elements here, sometimes you want to keep them together because you want to treat them as one element, right? If I had these, sorted out like this, to move these, I'd have to move them individually in order and, recreate the shape. Now, a cool thing to fix this is going to be by grouping these as one element. So to do this, you want to select all the elements that you want to group together by clicking away from the elements and dragging on top of all the elements that you want to select, right? As you can see, these are all selected, and you're going to see this pop up here that says group. But if you do not see it, you can right click on any of those selected elements, and you can see that we have the option to click on group here. Now, the shortcut to this is Control G that you can use. If you're one of those people that likes using shortcuts, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and hit group. And as you can see, this is now going to be treated as one element. So if I was going to move this, see that it's going to move everything along with it. Okay, like that. You're not going to be able to move these on an individual level. Now, to ungroup, you want to right click on any of these and go over to ungroup, and you can see that the shortcut for this is Control Shift G. I'm gonna go ahead and hit ungroup, and if I select one of these and I move it, you're going to be able to move this individually, right? One of the cool things that I like doing is, let's say I wanted to keep this distance here between these two squares here. I can select these two by selecting both and grouping them. So you can see now it's always going to keep that distance, which is pretty cool if you're working on projects where you want things to stay where they are, especially distance, the distance from two different objects or elements, or maybe two elements that might be attached to each other. You always want to keep those together. This is a great option to use, right? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next lesson.